Hi, I'm Annie Shanto, your online instructor for Theater 100. Welcome to the class. This is an accelerated class, and we're doing 10 weeks for what is normally a 16-week class, but I'm hoping to make it a lot of fun for you. I have included the syllabus. This lists pretty much what we're going to cover in class and the grading system and anything else you may want to know. The textbook is Theater, the Lively Arts by Wilson and Goldfarb, and you can use editions 6, 7, 8, or 9. 10th, I'm still haven't quite incorporated into the class yet. So the first assignment you're going to have is to watch the Tony Awards this weekend. On Sunday at 8 p.m. on CBS, we have the Tony Awards. That's the equivalent for theater that the Oscars are for movies. Now, if you can't watch it, you don't get CBS, or you're otherwise occupied, don't worry, because the main features of that night or highlights will usually be on YouTube the next day. This class actually opens in Canvas at midnight on Sunday. I'll see you then. Bye. Have a good time.